Welcome to Picklist. Interesting facts about the planet Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest in the solar system after Jupiter. It is a gas giant with an average radius of about 9.5 times that of Earth. Saturn is the least dense planet in the solar system. Saturn has a density of 0.687 grams per cubic centimeter. Just for comparison, water is 1 gram per centimeter cube and the Earth is 5.52. Since Saturn is less dense than water, it could actually float like an apple but in space. Saturn is a flattened ball. The first astronomers thought that the rings were moons. When Galileo first turned his rudimentary telescope on Saturn in 1610, he could see Saturn and its rings, but he didn't know what he was looking at. He thought that the rings might actually be two large moons stuck to either side of Saturn. In 1655, Dutch astronomer Christian Huygens used a better telescope to observe Saturn. He had the resolution to realize that the moons on either side of Saturn were actually rings, which is inclined to ecliptic. Huygens was also the first person to discover Saturn's largest moon, Titan. Only 4 spacecraft sent from Earth have ever visited Saturn. Pioneer 11 in 1979, Voyager 1 in 1980, Voyager 2 in 1981, and last Cassini's arrival in 2004 that a spacecraft actually went into orbit around Saturn and captured photographs of the planets and its rings and moons. Saturn has 62 moons, with Titan the second largest moon in the solar system. Determining the rotation speed of Saturn was actually very difficult to do because the planet doesn't have a solid surface. To determine the rotational speed of Saturn, astronomers had to measure the rotation of the planet's magnetic field. By one measurement, Saturn takes 10 hours and 14 minutes to turn on its orbit. But when Cassini approached Saturn, it clocked the rotation at 10 hours and 45 minutes. Astronomers now decided on an average day of 10 hours, 32 minutes and 35 seconds. Saturn's ring look like they have disappeared. This happened in 2008 to 2009 and will happen again in 2024 to 2025. Last but not at least, you can see Saturn with your own eyes.